Hello, this is TelecomTV. We are at IoT, Internet of Things World in San Francisco, and I am talking with Nick Ranahan from Wind River. Nick, tell me about this interesting, lots of movement going on here.
Yes.
Big demo, obviously,
Yes.
of some aspects of IoT. Can you tell us what it is?
Yeah, so this is a demo that is primarily a smart city.
Right.
So obviously in real life, you're probably not going to have a wind farm next to an industrial factory, next to a train and a residential area. But, you know, for lack of space, we kind of got it all on the same board here.
Sure.
Let's first look at an application we have in industrial manufacturing. Siemens uses Intel hardware and Wind River software, which is a real-time operating system, VxWorks, and they use it in their factory to do manufacturing. And as you see here in the demonstration, I can hit see it in action, start the assembly line, and you can see in the demo that the assembly line starts working. And also what we have deployed here are the Intel IoT gateways. And what it is Intel hardware with Wind River software, McAfee security protocols, and it takes all the sensor data from the factory, ports it up into the cloud, which is probably a private cloud here, and lets them manage it in real time. So the factory can become more efficient, and it can learn and become a smart factory, saving millions of dollars potentially, just from that connectivity piece. Second, I want to talk about kind of an interesting application here, which are these city lights. Street lights generate about $2 billion in annual spending to keep illuminated, and we deploy the same gateway on top of the street lights, and it makes them intelligent lights, and let's say there's no use for them to be on, they'll shut off automatically based on the data being managed in the cloud and protocols set by each local area. And finally, we've been working with Daikin. They're an industrial manufacturer of HVAC units, and what that is, heating, ventilation for huge buildings. And on any given day, thousands and thousands of dollars in costs to heat, cool, and manage these buildings. And what Intel's been able to do is they've created this gateway, and on top of it, on top of the HVAC unit, they deploy the gateway. So it's not creating a new computer, they're using the data that's already there. I mean, for all intents and purposes, it's already an intelligent device. We're just taking the intelligence that it's gathering, porting it into the cloud, and making that data a lot more manageable. So instead of an operator coming out every 3 months, plugging in, checking the data, and then replacing a filter if it's needed, let's say there's a heavy pollen month and a filter gets clogged, within a second they'll know that it's not running at full capacity. They can send someone out and fix it right away. So it doesn't spend 3 months operating at 30% capacity and costing thousands of dollars. It's a completely integrated and smart system. It's not rudimentary anymore.
Great stuff.
So those are just 3 of my favorite. We have a few use cases for transportation, for autonomous driving, and in the house, smart lighting, and a few different consumer applications here, but I just wanted to highlight those 3.
Okay, Nick Ranahan, thank you.
Of course, yeah.